Hey everyone, and welcome to Temu Home Makeover. I'm Stan, and I'm thrilled to have you here. This channel is all about turning ordinary spaces into extraordinary places without breaking the bank. Welcome, everyone. Greetings to all of you joining me today on my channel. I'm thrilled to kick off this video where I'll be demonstrating how to create frames for the wonderful pictures I recently received from Temu. There are numerous ways to make frames, but I'll be sharing my personal approach with you. And guess what? I have a special co-host joining me, none other than my friend, the robot James Watson, who will be assisting with the narration for today's tutorial. What's even more amazing is that James is doing this entirely out of goodwill. I hope you'll find this tutorial helpful and that my method will inspire you to create beautiful frames for your own pictures. Without further ado, let's dive right in and get started. Let's take a closer look at what you'll need for our project. The cross-cutting saw. This versatile tool is perfect for making precise cuts across wood grain and is essential for any woodworking project. Next, the cordless drill. Its portability and power make it indispensable. Whether you're drilling holes for screws or assembling parts, the cordless drill gives you the freedom to work anywhere. Don't forget your measuring tape and pencil. Accurate measurements are crucial for ensuring your project comes together perfectly. Marking out dimensions with a pencil helps you stay on track throughout the build. For drilling pilot holes, you need 3mm and 2mm diameter drill bits, along with a countersink to ensure your screws sit flush with the surface. To secure materials, a staple gun is invaluable. It's ideal for upholstery, attaching fabric, or even light carpentry tasks. Once your pieces are assembled, sandpaper becomes your best friend. Grade 80 and 100 sandpaper are great all-rounders for smoothing surfaces and preparing them for finishing touches. Finally, a sanding block provides a stable surface to achieve a uniform finish on your project. Work plan. 1. Cutting the wood for the frame elements. 2. Drilling pilot holes. 3. Countersinking the holes. 4. Assembling the frame. 5. Fitting the corner brackets. 6. Preparing the canvas. 7. Final assembly. 8. Conclusion. Today, we're following a structured plan to build our frame. First, we'll carefully select and cut the longest beams and cross members. It's crucial to choose the straightest strips for the long beams and mark the front side for drilling 3mm holes. Symmetry is key in carpentry to avoid common mistakes like upside down members. Trust me, after over 30 years in the wood industry, I've seen it all. Next, we'll countersink the holes from the correct side and sand everything smooth. Assembling the frame begins by starting from one end, ensuring all sides align perfectly and the outside surfaces touch evenly. Drill a shallow 2mm pilot hole, apply a few drops of glue, and secure with a screw. This method allows adjustments for a flush joint. Repeat for the second hole. Once the first set of beams is in place, flip the frame and fit the second long beam. Install all corner brackets and check for squareness by measuring diagonals. If needed, place the frame on a flat surface and add weights to correct any twists. Let it dry, then sand the surfaces using a block and sandpaper. Choose the best side as the front and mark it. Every unevenness in the joints impacts the overall impression. With the frame complete and surfaces smooth, it's ready to receive the canvas. To fit the canvas, start by marking with a pencil a distance equal to the width plus the thickness of your strips, in my case, 12 mm plus 32 mm equals 44 mm, all around the left side of the canvas. This ensures the frame is positioned correctly on the canvas. Begin from a short side, apply spray glue and use staples to secure the canvas. Stretch the canvas gently and fit the opposite side, using the markings to maintain frame alignment. Proceed to fit one long side of the canvas, stretching it slightly before fitting the opposite side. At the corners, apply a small amount of Temu glue and use a plastic spreader to press down, ensuring the excess canvas looks neat and tidy.